Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some bags to show you because they came in a bag, so I just opened it up and take a look without filming it because it was kind of cloudy and I didn't have good light in my office. So I bought this from Moment's website. It's a website selling camera gear and accessories. So if you are not familiar with photographic gear or cameras, you're probably not familiar with this company, but they do sell pretty good quality products. And when I saw they have this on sale, this is their wallet, and looking at the material, it says that they're using Horween Leather, so I was curious that how this would look, especially with the sales price. I say, why not, right? Just try it out. And not just one, I bought two. I figured it was a good price and they're probably phasing this out, so might as well get it and try it out. If I don't like it, I can always give it to my friend or something. So these are basically the same. I'll quickly just show you this one. So at the back you have this zip pocket. It has two separate compartments inside. It's interesting. Even though it's a tiny pocket, they still have two compartments inside. And then on the other side, you have this slip pocket. I have tested out, it's big enough to put my big iPhone. So it's a good size pocket here. And when you unzip open, this space definitely big enough to keep your big iPhone inside. If you decided to keep your phone inside to be secure, it has this sectional slip pocket that has kind of three sections. Other than that, it's very straightforward. I figure if you want to use this one, you probably can use a little card wallet to keep your credit cards and cash inside, and then you can keep your phone inside. It should fit both as well. One of the main reasons I decided to get this one is the strap. It has this kind of an interesting rope type of strap that you adjust based on how you pull this. So you can wear this as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. Or you can also just use this wristlet to use it as a pouch, a wallet pouch. One thing I do want to point out though, without anything inside or when it's not on your body, it does tip over. Look at that. Just a swinging wallet. If you use this wallet, you'll have to be careful. It tips over. If you don't pay attention, your stuff could fall out. But when you wear it as a crossbody, it does stay on your body pretty well. So you can wear it like crossbody like that, and you have quick access to your phone with the pouch on the back. Or you can keep your cash here so that if you want to pay something, you can quickly get your cash and stuff. And then you can keep your ID and important cards, credit cards inside. It's a pretty cool design. I may use this strap for my other bags. Sometimes I do buy bags just because I like their strap. That happens a few times maybe. And then to get the free shipping, I decided to try their 2-liter belt bag. Since I don't have many belt bags, I figure might as well try one. Especially this one is designed for camera, so it's waterproof or at least water resistant pouch. I believe they have other color and other design as well. And they have one smaller one. So if you like this kind of product, like water resistant, waterproof product, you can check out this Moment company. At the back of this belt bag, it has a zip pocket. Pretty generous space. And then on the front, it's kind of have this folded design. So if it rains, the water would probably just glide off. Open up the zip pocket. I guess because these are designed for camera, it does have a couple of compartments to strap down your camera batteries. If you don't use it, you probably can just take it out. So you can just remove it. And then it's just a good size pocket. In terms of the main compartment, it's pretty generous size. I can definitely put a big compact camera inside. Even if you are not interested in carrying a camera, you can still use this bag because with all these compartments, it's really convenient to keep your cards or your lipstick or whatever you need. It's a good way to organize your bag. And on the other side, it has another slip pocket. It also comes with this microfiber cloth to wipe your glass or your camera lens. It's just a clip here, you can remove it and use it to hook on your keys if that's what you want. So other than the back strap to wear as a crossbody or on your waist as a belt bag, on the side it does feature this another strap that you can use to adjust the width of your belt bag. It has this adjustment on both sides. So if you carry a lot of stuff, you can just keep it loose or adjust it to the right length, and then you can really stuff this bag to the full. You can pull it tight. See, you can easily pull it tight, and then it creates this kind of a squish-in slim profile for this belt bag. And at the bottom, it has another adjustable strap. If you are into photography, you can use this to strap in a monopod, a tripod, or a selfie stick. And if you are not into photography, you can use it to strap down a small umbrella. It could be quite useful. And if you want to carry some small water bottle, this may be able to accommodate as well. So whatever your imagination leads, you can use it as you wish. Since this is the same design as the black one, I'm not going to just repeat the whole thing, but I do want to quickly show you the color and the texture close up. It looks quite nice, I love it. Anyway, thanks for joining me today, going through a few things I picked up from this company moment, and I'll talk to you again next time. Bye!